In today's video, I'm going to teach you 3 ways to draw a rectangle in AutoCAD. Drawing rectangles is a fundamental skill in AutoCAD, and knowing multiple methods can really enhance your workflow and precision. Let's dive right into it. The first method we'll explore is drawing a rectangle using single lines. This approach is quite straightforward, and it gives you the flexibility of constructing your rectangle piece by piece. Start by selecting the Line tool in AutoCAD. Once you've done that, proceed to draw the rectangle by creating 4 separate lines, one at a time. Imagine you're drawing a square with a pencil on paper and you go around sketching each side individually. It's like that. This is particularly useful when you need to adjust each segment independently as you go. However, keep in mind that this method doesn't create a joined or single object by default. What this means is, if you want to manipulate the rectangle as a whole afterward, you will need to employ the join command. This additional step will convert those separate single lines into a polyline, making it a consolidated whole rectangle. The second method we're going to try involves using the Polyline tool. Here, you'll draw the rectangle one line at a time again, similarly to the first method, but the key difference is that with Polyline, each segment is automatically linked to the previous one. Start by selecting the Polyline tool, then draw your rectangle by clicking to define each corner point. This method is advantageous because, unlike the single lines method, it results in a connected object right off the bat. This means you can immediately manipulate it as a single shape, which simplifies transformations and modifications significantly. Finally, let's look at the fastest way to draw a rectangle, which is by using the rectangle tool itself. This is the go-to method for anyone needing a quick and precise rectangle without the fuss of joining lines together. By selecting the Rectangle tool, you can swiftly click to set your first corner point, and then click again to define the opposite corner point of your rectangle. This method is extremely efficient because it automatically creates a complete connected object with just those 2 clicks. It's as simple as defining 2 diagonal points, and you're done. This seamless process means less hassle, especially when your design involves numerous rectangles. With all these methods at your fingertips, you can choose the best one suited for your project's needs and desired precision. Whether it's the meticulous first approach, the connectivity of polylines, or the speed of the rectangle tool, AutoCAD offers flexible options to match your design requirements. That's all for today's tutorial on drawing rectangles in AutoCAD. Make sure to choose the method that aligns best with your workflow efficiency and project needs. Thank you for joining me, and happy designing!